So business is like a journey. It's full of trial and errors and all of that. But there's one thing that remains constant, which is planning and structuring your business before you start or before you take a next major step in your business. But then there are issues with, you going around that process of structuring your business, writing a business plan, that's if you want to, or even if it's just a small guide. So I created this business startup guide. This guide basically helps you to structure your business, but then there are a lot of benefits that come with it. Once you finish filling this particular guide, you literally have every single thing that you need to know about your business figured out. And if you want to settle down to develop a business plan to pitch to investors, you already have all the information that you need and you just translate it or flesh it up into those particular documents. Not only that, the guide will actually help you to run your business properly as a business owner, help you to make calculative decisions, help you to manage your team properly. So the guide is a question and answer guide. So you have explanations, questions, and then answers. So the idea is that you read the instructions that are given there, read the question and write down your answer. Some of them you have to do some research, but then you are guided by what to search for and what you need to figure out. And also a section that is full of resources that would help you to grow your business. I know that this is something that you definitely need, and if you want to have access to it, you can actually get it now on pre-order. Just follow the instructions that goes along with this video. And guys, let me tell you something. Planning and structuring your business is 100% important. If you want to grow and scale your business, you definitely need to settle down to plan and structure your business.